Hey, welcome to my Facebook group. If you're seeing this on YouTube and you enjoyed the last video where I started the replay of um, the 21-day fast for God's restoration of Israel and the world, I'm bringing the rest of the fast and breaking down each one of those chapters that I went through into even more detail. I break them down in my new Facebook group, Break Daily Bread. If you want to learn more about the Bible, if you want to walk through the Bible, if you want to um, study with the Bible in community, join the group Break Daily Bread on Facebook. We'll also have supplemental reading. We'll have some books. I think next year we'll dive into the book Battlefield of the Mind by Joyce Meyer. Um, it will be actually 25 years old next year. We dive deep into the book. I think it's a great supplement to going through the Bible next year. So join my group on Facebook. It's free. It's a safe community. I'll open it up for people to share, daily encouragement, testimonials, devotionals, things like that. It's just going to be a safe space for us to study the Bible with no judgment and, yeah, with boundaries. And for you to be able to hear the word without a commercial being cut in the middle of it. So yeah, join the group. It's free, and I'll see you on Facebook.